Hey Sarah, so this is what we call logging into the dashboard. So I think you probably do it all the time, but maybe you didn't know it was called the dashboard. Let's see. So you go to Student Google Login. So here we are at David Douglas website. Go to Students, Student Google Login. Now it's coming up as me because it's my computer, but um, what we do is we put in Mason's student ID. So let me pull that up. So 757044, and then his birth date 04202012, and log in. Okay, so this is his dashboard. So he should be able to access like his Gmail, his Google Classroom, Imagine Learning, IXL, LearnZillion, MobyMax. Here is what I think is happening. Ooh, I just had like an epiphany. Um, we don't do IXL at Mill Park. We only do MobyMax. So yeah, we don't have IXL accounts anymore that I know of. That's the problem. So when I press IXL, we could try to log him in, but I don't, yeah. Yeah, this right here is a different ending um, of an email. I think this is for the older kids. So yeah, we don't have IXL. That's the problem. Oh my gosh. I haven't had enough coffee yet apparently. So he can do MobyMax though. So when he clicks on MobyMax, you can press login, and it's logging in with what we call Clever. And then this is Mason's right here, so he can do stuff in MobyMax if he wants. But yeah, that's the problem is Elementary does not do IXL. So sorry if I logged Trenton out and messed up anything with IXL, hopefully not. If you click on it for him, Trenton should be able to put his username and password in. But it's interesting that it was coming up through Mason's dashboard, not Trenton's. So hopefully that is clear as mud. Sorry. To sum it up, this is the dashboard, and Elementary does not use IXL. We use MobyMax. He's most familiar with Zearn. Of course, if you guys want to try MobyMax, then that is totally cool. All right. Hope that was helpful. Bye.